At the radiator. I love it. And look at that view, by the way. Look how amazing that view is. Look at that mountain. You know, look at that, bro. Look at that, bro. Right, okay, we just arrived in one of the projects as well. A bit background about this project. This is a property we bought, dilapidated, stink, broken everywhere. There was animal breather in the property. We literally had to peel almost 6 tons of animal shit. But hey, so we're nearly done on this one. Project manager is doing absolutely amazing, by the way. The one I'm working with to do this done. So he's doing really, really great. So I'm here really to check and understand what he has been doing or what we've actually achieved in this property. So this is the property I'm talking about. That's it there. Basically what we did, we had to re-render the whole property. Basically we had to re-render it because all was flecky, nothing was good in it. So we did the whole property. So if you come with me, and all these was bushy, messy, ridiculously outdated. Okay, so you can see they've cleaned all this now. So what we're going to do here, we're going to have some chipstones going here. Really nice. And by the way, this is one of my student investor. Doing really, really well. She's literally smashing whatever she does. And yeah, so what we're going to do here, we're going to like level this up nicely. Okay, moving in. Again, you can see we rendered all this stuff here. Okay. Oh, wow. Wow, wow. All this has been cleaned. This was a jungle. This was a jungle, right? So all this has been done nicely now. Chipstones. Well done, really, really well done, you guys. And you can see here, if you turn around the camera, you can see all this has been rendered nicely. It's been done really, really nice. You can see all this is freshly done. You can kiss it, you can hug it, and you can literally grab it. That's what I told you about property. You can walk past it, you can drive past it, you can hug it, you can kiss it, and you can do so many things with it. So it's really, really brilliant. You can see all these. We had a shed here. So they've leveled the shed nicely. So all that has been done now. It looks really, really tidy. The garden fence has been done. That was all broken, falling over. That's been done now. So it's looking really, really good in here. Okay, moving into the property now, inside, so we can see what has been done in it. Okay. Well, you can start from here. The door is not locked. Okay. So we're gonna go this way. Okay, moving on. We're going to come on, kind of go inside the property then and see what had been done. You can pause it now. So yeah, so basically we're here now. Let's have a look and see what they've done, and let's see what had been done. So come on in. So with this property, it was a 3-bed. So we were able to kind of convert it into 3-bed. We kind of forced the value a little bit. So as you walk in, you get to the corridor. This wall here wasn't here. So what we did, we created a stud wall in order to have this as a passageway. So as soon as you come to the passage on your left hand side, you can then approach the first bedroom we've created. You can call it bedroom or you can call it a sitting room, whatever way you want to call it. But we can do it as a bedroom. You can see we've got all the sockets there. Literally, we went back to bricks. We built this wall. Obviously, we've got new sockets there, new radiators. All this curtain carpet has just been done. When was it? I think about 3 days ago. Right, again, all this is ready now to be rack and roll. You can see we've created all this here. All that now becomes a room. You can call it a room. And then moving on, you may have this door sticky a little bit because the carpet, obviously, is a bit more higher than the actual door. So that's going to be amended. So that's the reason why some of the doors are out. And then, okay, and then we're going to come to the kitchen. Look how amazing the kitchen is. Again, when we bought this property, there was all this place here was all shit, right? Dog shit was piled up all the way, literally all the way here. You cannot even breathe. Before we get into the property, we had to open the doors, right, and wait out for about 10-15 minutes. That's how stinky it was. And then obviously now we've got this nice brown, grayish kitchen. Look at that. Look at that, like how amazing that is. And we've got this drawer here, and then it goes in like that. You've got the oven, it looks absolutely minted. Okay, walking around, this can be your dining area, okay? You can have your table here, you can have your TV here, you can do it really, really nice, and you can call that a bedroom if you wanted to. We call it a bedroom. You can be a diner here, sit here, have your sofas, you got your kitchen there, you can have everything everything you want here. Brand new radiator, look at that, freshly painted, I love that. And look at this wall, it's absolutely smashing. We've got the heater lamp done. Walking down here this way, you've got the utility area. Well, utility storage area, I may say. This is the storage area. Come on in, where you can store as many things that you want in here. It's a massive storage, it's really, really big. Okay, and again, you've got not just WC, a shower and a toilet down here. We only had, I think, a walk-in shower in here. Look at now, look how amazing this is now. Look at that. You can sit in here and have an absolute shower without going upstairs. So literally you can have that room, that person that stays in that room, never have to go upstairs and use the bathroom. They have their own shower. And the shower is powered by the boiler. There's no electric shower in here. And obviously you've got your nice, amazing dinghy to do your little, thing in here. And again, you've got your sink there, you've got the rad, like, it looks beautiful. It looks beautiful, and we have done a nice sort of investment here. And again, they're gonna sort that door, right? Because it's kind of expanded because it's a bit cold in here. I think we're gonna leave the heatings on so things can shrink a little bit. So what I now like to do is to take you upstairs where I can show you the three initial lovely bedrooms. So you can see the carpet done nicely, freshly. The painting is wicked. We had an amazing painter in here. First time we worked with him, so he did really, really well. And then as you get to the landing here, we go down nice laminate floor in here. Walking in, you've got your bedroom. Again, good size bedroom. Very good size bedroom. You can have a single bed in here, right? You've got a brand new radiator. You can see the doors, as you can see, right? The doors are here. This is the bathroom door. And then obviously this is the bedroom door. They took them out when they're doing the carpet. That's gonna be framed in nicely, so you can sit and open nicely. Everything freshly painted, really, 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 really nice. And then obviously we have this other bedroom. This is another large bedroom. I like this bedroom. It literally looks absolutely amazing. Look at that, right? Look at the radiator. I love it. Freshly painted. I like the painting work here. Attention to detail in the painting. I love the way they paint the property. It looks absolutely amazing. I love it. And the carpet is really, really nice. And look at that view, by the way. Look how amazing that view is. Look at that mountain. Look at that, bro. Look at that, bro. Look at that, bro. Look at that. Whoa, that is beautiful. That's absolutely beautiful. So I love the Welsh valleys. They're really, really nice. Amazing. So again, they're gonna put the door back in. Now the carpet is done. And we've got this little rad here to keep the warmness in here. And then obviously we've got I can call it master bedroom. This is the master bedroom. It looks wicked. Carpet has gone down. Sliding doors, wardrobe is gonna be sorted out. The carpet is gone. Everything here looks wicked, looks really, really nice. I'm really chuffed about this property is because the reason why I love this property is because we set a target to complete it, and we are 98% done. All we need is to stock the doors, hit the property, doors shrink, and we're done. Right? We're absolutely finished here. Nothing else to do in here. Super excited about getting the first tenant in here, calling this place a home. Listen, that's what brings joy to me. I've got an investor who's happy. I've trained them, I've mentored them, I've helped them hold their hands to do what we've done here. They're going to be coming in and see this property. And by the way, they've never ever been to this property as well. Literally, we had our people to come and view it for them. We use our golden rules, it works. Get our builders to come in and do the works. And look at the result. How amazing that is. Let's go and check the bathroom out. Wow, okay, now we're working into the bathroom. Well, this bathroom was a really duffy bathroom, okay? It's a very, very bad bathroom, but now look at this. Look at these sexy tiles. Tell me how sexy these tiles are. You got the toilet. We moved the toilet around, I think. The toilet was somewhere there, right? We swapped them around. The sink was here. Okay, we took the bathroom, we took the sink there, and then the toilet here, because that gives it a bigger space. And then you can see you've got the bathroom again. We have this mixer here. We have another bath mixer there. Look, bro, it just looks absolutely amazing, isn't it? Right, it looks really, really great. You know, if this bringing tears to you, it just giving you some goosebumps. It is giving me goosebumps as well, because no matter how many times I've done things like this, right, it just brings that loveness into it, because it's absolutely amazing. Now someone can call this home. You know, someone can walk in here with their family, live life comfortably, and call it a home. It would be absolutely pleasure to have people here. So we are really, really excited. This will be completed by, say, in about 3 days. Everything will be done here. I will do another video once we've completed every single thing in here, so you can see really how this property look like now and how it looked like before, in order to learn and appreciate what we've done here. So as you can see, it's amazing. We've literally done 95% of the work. I would say 98% is done. All we need to do is just the snagging bit, and those snags are the thing that the carpenter will need to come around, adjust the doors that as a result of the laminate flooring being done, as a result of the carpet being done. And really, that's it. It's done. It's absolutely done. We've got nothing to do here now, and then hopefully then we could rent this to someone who loves it. And as I said earlier on, I love doing things like this. This is what brings joy to me. This is what brings joy to me. This is what makes me feel and appreciate life a lot more. The benefit of this, having someone to move in here to call this place a home, whilst making money along the way as well. You've got someone to call this place as a home. You've got your passive income coming in every single month, and guess what? You've got your capital appreciation. It cannot go better than that, guys. If you're ever thinking or contemplating about investing in property, now is the time to take that leap of faith to start your investment journey. Guess what? It would absolutely transform your life to the better. Although while you're invested, you feel poor, but believe you me, once you've invested, you start seeing recurring income every single month. It will change and transform your life. If you'd like to learn how to do things like this, there's a description on this video where you can book me in or any of my guys for free strategic call, 30 minutes, absolutely free, to learn about you and see how we can best serve you to start to do things like this, to kind of maybe generate passive income along the side if you've got a good job, if you love a job, or alternatively to get you to start become a property investor, and eventually get you to become a property investor, a full-time property investor that would ultimately get you to become a property millionaire. I really hope this video has inspired you to take the leap of faith to start your property investment journey. If you like this video or any of my videos, hit the like button below, subscribe to my channel for more amazing tutorials. Thank you for listening.